Hey, this is just a quick video on how to look at the shared Google Sheet. So essentially I've broken it up to a few tabs at the bottom. You have the Premier Properties, the Core Properties, and then Color Code Legend. This color code is how we distinguish each property and which stage of the shoot process they're in. So quickly we mark things pink if scheduling is in process, yellow if it's already scheduled, green if completed, and of course aqua if there's an issue. For example, not completing the bedding at Sanford, that would be issued, so we'd mark that aqua. And then red if there's a bigger issue. Aqua is renovations delay, sorry. Red would be issued. So if I go back over to the Premier properties, I have this marked green, but for the sake of the explanation, I will mark it that aqua color. And then in the notes, we would have something like, need to go back to finish the rooms. This spreadsheet is really just for CS3 to edit. We ask that our clients don't edit these spreadsheets, 'cause we also use this for billing purposes too. So I'm going to share these with you, or you already have them. And if you see the need to add any additional columns or any other sections, please let us know and we'll do that on our end. But that's pretty much it. Just one last note, I would say the left side of this black bar right here is the property info. And then if you scroll over to the right, that's where we have more information such as the photographer, who's shooting it, the time, the date, any notes pertinent. This wouldn't be where like the room list or shot list would go. This is just any specific notes that we need to convey to you if there's primarily an issue or something like that. And then of course we'll mark it here if we bill, and then here once it's completed. So once it is completed, in theory we would then mark this to that green color. So once it's green, you can pretty much assume that it's been billed and uploaded and really out of our hands.